Okay, Ian, tell us what we're flying today, and then a little bit about setting it up.
Okay, we're flying the Cessna 188, which is the famous Dusty from the Disney cartoon, Planes. It is a crop duster, and right here I'm setting up Ross's model, which he has done an alright job, but I'm just tying up some loose ends on the radio, just the endpoints and the expos. He didn't have any expo. He basically cut down the servo throws to 50%, so the endpoints, meaning the servo will only move that much. So which is a bad idea in case when you need it, especially on the elevator, it's not there to give you to pull up hard enough.
So you correct that by?
Giving it full rates and adding expo, so the sticks in the center, it's softened.
Okay, very good.
Alright, pre-flight check. Throttle's working, left aileron, right aileron, left rudder, right rudder. Elevator is going the right way. Flaps, beautiful. Okay, we're checking for the wind direction. Got the rudder work there. Flaps up. It's a very beautiful plane, very smooth, like silk or butter. And the good thing is with the flaps, if I go full flaps, it doesn't balloon up. It just keeps its altitude. It's quite nice actually. Do it directly above you. Here we go. Full flaps. I'm going to cruise it just on the fence line, alright? Just in front of us. Giddy up, horses, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. Back, straight up. Nice and easy, you're going to do a aileron roll. 3, 2, 1, here we go. There we go.
Now barrel roll.
Barrel roll. There we go. Cool.
Okay, inverted flight.
Inverted line. Line down, inverted. Do not dump your flaps when you invert it. Are you clear off the runway?
Yep.
Okay. A lot of rudder work there, a lot of rudder work. A lot of rudder work. As nice as you probably get it. Yeah? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Crosswind there. Alright, a bit of a crosswind there. Ballooning, settles down, goes past here, there we go. Coming in, backing up the power. There we go.